starting this ride out at the Oasis Travel Center in Robertsdale. We're heading out to County Road 87. On one side you'll see a traditional forward view, and on the other what we're calling our new front cow view. That shot comes from our custom mounting system that we built with the Insta360 hardware. This opens up a perspective you just don't see on many motorcycle videos. Both views are synced up in real time, so every twist of the throttle, every lean, every curve hits all at once. What a road to capture. County Road 87 is flawless. It has fresh blacktop, wide lanes, and curves that flow one into the next. The pavement is smooth, the grip is perfect, and the rhythm of the turns just begs you to roll on that throttle. The Insta360X5 has been a perfect fit for our motorcycle journeys. It's super stable, it's rock solid, the image stays smooth even at speed. The dynamic range handles bright skies and shaded curves with ease. It feels like the camera was made for riders, capturing the motion, the lean, and the scenery without missing a beat. Of course, none of this would look or feel the same without the BMW K1600 GTL. Smooth, powerful, built for long stretches just like this. I'm running on a fresh set of Michelin Road GTs. It's already been scrubbed in and dialed the pressure in just right. And they're gripping beautifully through every lean. The handling feels sharp, the feedback is confident, and paired with the K1600's balance and torque, it's like the road was made for this bike. K1600 isn't just transportation, it's the third star of our channel, right along the sights and the bikes. The Barrineau Park Bridge marks the line. Alabama in the mirrors, Florida up ahead. That wraps up a run down County Road 87 in Baldwin County, Alabama. But the ride doesn't stop here. If you've enjoyed this ride, check out our channel for more rides just like this one and join us on our next adventure.